To begin, the first step to access your device's settings and verify whether your phone has been updated to the most recent software version. For iOS users, navigate to the Settings menu to confirm if your device is running the latest iOS update. Since I'm using an Android device, I'll scroll through my settings until I locate the System Updates section. Here, I'll check for any available updates for my phone. In my case, I'm already on the latest update, so I don't need to proceed with the step. However, if you have pending updates, it's crucial to install them. And once you've completed the software update check, proceed to test the photo mode on your phone. If it's still not functioning correctly, go to the respective app store, which could be either the Play Store for Android users or the iOS Store for Apple users. Search for the TikTok app and ensure there are no available updates for it on your device. After you've confirmed the software and app updates, launch TikTok. Locate and tap the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Then swipe to the right to access the newly introduced photo mode within the TikTok app. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful and informative. If it assisted you in resolving the issue, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my YouTube channel, Tutorial, for more valuable content like this. With that being said, stay tuned for my next video, and until then, take care.